2 years ago I talked about this, the on and off switch. It turned on. Not turning on. So sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. I got a knife, got a little thing. I bought this kit. Got all this garbage. This looks like something that you can open it up with. It says professional. Why is it still in the bag? I can get my fingers underneath this. But then my problem is I'm going to ruin my dead cat. Looky. Not that hard to pop open now. What happened to the tip? Did it fall in there? I don't know. So I'm able to work this off. Look, clean all that dirt that came off of it too. There's the on and off switch right there. Maybe a can of air getting in there because it's turning on. Turning off. Turning on. I'm going to go get a can of air. Blow it in there. Can of air. Closing on up. Turns on. Turns off.